Welcome back, friends. Bitcoin moves fast, and there's a lot happening behind the scenes that you need to know about. We're talking about whales gobbling up Bitcoin, BlackRock making moves, and yes, GameStop just dropped a massive Bitcoin bombshell. So buckle up because this one packed with insight. Let's get you up to date. Get this, since March 11, whales holding over 10,000 Bitcoin have added a staggering 129,000 Bitcoin to their wallets. That's billions of dollars worth. Let that sink in. These aren't weekend trader. These are mega whales making long-term moves, and they are not buying on exchanges like the rest of us. They're doing it over the counter, OTC, meaning the buying pressure doesn't hit the chart. That's why Bitcoin price isn't skyrocketing just yet. But trust me, supply is disappearing. Bitcoin on exchanges has hit a 7 year low. Long-term holders are sitting tight, and every day more Bitcoin gets locked away. When that scarcity kicks in, it's going to be impossible to ignore. And speaking of accumulation, let's talk about BlackRock. Even on red days like yesterday, they scooped up another $108 million worth of Bitcoin through the ETF. That's 10 straight days of inflows. So while retail investors might panic sell, BlackRock is quietly stacking, and wells are accumulating behind the scene at a level most people don't see. But here's where it's get wild. GameStop just secured $1.3 billion in interest-free money, and they're using it to buy Bitcoin. That is not just a treasury move, it's a full-blown Bitcoin's back short squeeze. It's just like GameStop play a 40 chess move straight out of the Michael Saylor playbook. They're following the MicroStrategy model, but this time with 10x the starting firepower. Convertible notes, zero interest, no dilution unless the price moons. It's a financial loop that could fuel Bitcoin's infinity squeeze. Here's how it works. They issue bond, buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin price go up, the stock price follows. Bond holders convert, the price floor rises, and they issue more bonds to buy more Bitcoin, and the loop just keeps going. It's brilliant. GameStop now has $6 billion in futures Bitcoin purchasing power. And if you're short on GME, that's the stuff of nightmares. And let's not forget Ryan Cohen. He's taken GameStop from a $381 million net loss in 2021 to a $131 million net profits in 2024. That's a $512 million swing. This isn't a meme stock CEO messing around. This is a guy making strategic, calculated moves. GameStop just declared independence from fiat's debasement. And while all eyes are on GameStop, something massive just happened. They passed the Bitcoin Right Protection Act, BH 230. You have the legal right to mine Bitcoin, self-custody it, and run a node. They're not asking for permission. This is Bitcoin's sovereignty locked it into legislation, and you can bet other states are watching. It's not just corporations. Sovereign wealth fund are next. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, just said that if these massive funds allocate just 2 to 5% of their portfolios into Bitcoin, we could see Bitcoins at $500,000 to $700,000 per coin, and that's just sovereignty funds. Imagine what happened when every millionaires, billionaires, and major companies start adding Bitcoins to their balance sheets. Here's the thing. This isn't just some ordinary market cycle. This is a full-on wealth transfer. The wealthy knows it. They don't panic when the price dips. They buy more. Meanwhile, the average person sees red, freak out, and sells. That's how the rich get richer. They accumulate when everyone else is fearful. And let me tell you, they don't want the masses holding Bitcoin. If regular people catch on and refuse to sell, the wealthy won't have their easy buy-in anymore. But that's where we have an edge. We're early. And the fact that you're even watching this right now means you are paying attention while most people are sleeping at the wheel. First, let's talk about where Bitcoin stands today. We are sitting around $87,000 and it's been a bit of a roller coaster. Wall Street jitter are pulling Bitcoin down in lockstep with the Nasdaq. But this is just noise. After the market closes, we're seeing Bitcoin snap right back up. That's been the pattern lately. Traders panic, Bitcoin drops. And then the real buyers step in, and trust me, those buyers are not the ones refreshing the Bitcoin's app every 5 minutes. And here's some bonus good news. The Senate and the House just voted to overturn a ridiculous IRS rules that would have forced decentralized exchanges to report user data. That would have been impossible. So it's a big win for crypto's innovation and financial privacy. Even the SEC seems to be backing off on regulating DeFi too aggressively. Big moves all around. So what's the takeaway? The whales are stacking. BlackRock loading up. GameStop is making 40 moves. Utah defending Bitcoin's rights. The wealth transfer is happening in plain sight. And the question is, are you paying attention? Let me know what you think in the comment. Are you still stacking? Are you feeling bullish? Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, in the world of digital gold, it's not about timing the market. It's about times in the market. Alright, thank you for watching this short video. And I hope to see you in the next video. And my friend, don't forget to hold tight whatever you have and stack it right. Take care.